At the Ballarat Gov Hub, external works are almost complete on the lower levels, with the expansive foyer areas and the atrium that connect to the Civic Hall to commence shortly. The steel shell of the roof is underway and the final concrete that will support the roof plant is finished. Air conditioning, insulation, ceiling panels, electrical works and windows are being installed across multiple levels as the roof's steel skeleton nears completion.
While the main superstructure of the building is timber, the roof structure is steel to deal with the large spans. One of the really unique things about this roof is the pitch or the gable of the roof. And as you're driving down along Creswick Road, the pitch on the north is orientated towards Creswick Road, whereas on the south, the pitch of the roof is orientated towards the Town Hall. And that shift in the ridgeline has created a subtle twist in the roof. So we knew this building was going to be visible and the roof was going to be visible from a number of vantage points all the way around the city. Unlike a standard office building where the roof plant would be positioned on top of the roof, with this building we look to incorporate the roof plant up into level 5 of the building. And that way we look to extend the facade of the building up and over the roof. So really this building was more about an extension of the facade rather than a roof. When we get up to level 4, we get these fantastic spaces out on the north and the south. While level 4 is a larger breakout spaces which really get the benefit of this double, triple height space looking out over the city of Ballarat. One of the things you'll notice at this point in time is the external appearance of the building appears black, and that's the substrate of the facade at this point in time. Over the coming weeks and months, we'll see the building really transform with the red zinc being wrapped up and over the roof of the building.
Stay tuned for more video updates on this exciting project.